The Japanese term Kaizen means change for better. It is all about making continuous improvements in all aspects of the production and work processes. The roots of Kaizen stretch back to post-World War II in Japan. During this time, Toyota introduced quality circles in its production processes. These quality circles were groups of workers who met regularly to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems. This concept evolved into what we now recognize as Kaizen, thanks to the influence of American business and quality management teachers who visited Japan during that period. Masaki Imai, a key figure in promoting Kaizen worldwide, founded the Kaizen Institute Consulting Group in 1985. His books, Kaizen, Japanese Spirit of Improvement, and Gemba Kaizen, have been instrumental in popularizing the methodology. Now that we understand the history, let's dive into the core principles of Kaizen. Kaizen is guided by 5 key principles. Create customer value. Focus on delivering value to the customer. Every improvement should enhance the customer experience or the value provided to the customer. Create flow efficiency. Ensure the work flows efficiently through the system. Eliminate bottlenecks and streamline processes to maintain a smooth workflow. Be Gemba-oriented. Gemba means the real place. Go to the real place where work happens. Understanding the actual conditions and engaging with the real environment is crucial for effective problem solving. Empower and engage people. Involve everyone in the improvement process. Empower employees at all levels to suggest and implement improvements. Create visual standards. Use visual tools and standards to communicate and maintain improvements. Clear visual cues help everyone understand the processes and standards. By the way, if you need a beautifully visual Kanban board for your project management needs, we have created Kanbanchi. Click on the link in the description right now to get a 40% discount on your first purchase. Anyway, these principles ensure that Kaizen is not just about making improvements, but about fostering a culture where continuous improvement is a central part of the work. Central to Kaizen is the concept of Gemba walk. Gemba, as we said, means the real place, and it refers to the practice of going to the actual site where work is performed to identify and solve problems. The Gemba walk emphasizes the importance of first-hand observation and engagement with the work environment to drive practical, effective improvements. By observing the Gemba, teams can uncover inefficiencies and areas for improvement, leading to immediate and impactful changes. Another critical aspect of Kaizen is identifying and eliminating waste, or muda in Japanese. Taiichi Ohno, the father of Toyota production system, identified 7 types of waste that can lower productivity. Overproduction, or producing more than what's needed, waiting, and having time wasted in waiting for the next step, workers or equipment being idle, transportation, the unnecessary movement of products, overprocessing, or doing more work than what's required, inventory, or having excess product and materials not being processed, motion, unnecessary movements by people, and defects, efforts involved in inspecting and fixing defects. By targeting these wastes, organizations can streamline their processes and enhance overall efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, Kaizen remains highly relevant. It integrates seamlessly with modern technologies and management practices, offering a common-sense, low-cost approach to problem-solving. Tools like Kanban boards, just-in-time inventory, and total productive maintenance are all rooted in Kaizen principles. They help businesses manage multiple projects, make quick decisions, and continuously improve without significant investments. From its origins in post-war Japan to its application in today's technological landscape, Kaizen proves that continuous improvement is both timeless and universal. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Kaizen methodology. Remember, the path to excellence is paved with small, consistent improvements. And if you'd like to be as successful as Toyota, get Kanbanchi today at a 40% discount.